Hi, I'm Kestutis, and today I'm going to show you how to start affiliate marketing from scratch and make passive income online. Let's go! Affiliate marketing is a business model where you earn commissions for promoting another company's products or services. Each time a site visitor clicks or buys from your affiliate link, you'll get paid. It's a very popular strategy because it's profitable for both businesses and affiliates. For businesses, affiliate marketing helps to widen their marketing efforts, bringing more sales than if they were market the products by themselves. For affiliates, it helps suppress operational costs since they don't have to produce or stock anything. It also benefits the customers as they get trusted recommendations of products that meet their needs or wants. On top of that, affiliate marketing is a good source of passive income. That said, you'll still need to invest a good amount of time and energy to get started. It includes establishing your marketing platforms, building an audience, maintaining an online presence, and building traffic. Once you get all of those aspects nicely set up, you might start generating some passive income. This term is quite misleading though, as you're not actually being passive, you're just putting less effort from then on. But can you start affiliate marketing as a complete beginner? Don't worry, that's totally possible, and I'll show you how to step by step. First, you must find a niche and the type of products you want to sell. Let's start with the niche. A niche is a specific market segment that you'll target. Finding your niche is important because it directly affects your choice of products. If you only recommend a specific type of product, like unique gifts or dog food, people will see you as an expert and authority in that field. Imagine if you would recommend lots of different and unrelated types of products on the same website. Visitors would find it hard to see you as someone trustworthy enough and follow your product recommendations. Choosing a niche will also help create a search engine optimization strategy. It will be easier to determine which keywords to target and use on your website or social media. So, how to choose the best niche? Well, it depends. You may want to ask yourself a few questions first. Do you want to sell products that resonate with your interests, products with the highest profit or demand, or, if possible, both? The average affiliate commission falls between 5 to 30%. So, for example, if you sell a $10 book and the commission is 5%, that means you'll get a commission of 50 cents. It will take quite a while for you to reach, let's say, $1,000 if you only sell products within that price range. But if your goal is to sell items that genuinely excite you the most, then that's totally fine. On the other hand, if your main purpose with affiliate marketing is financial gain, consider promoting items from a higher price range, such as gadgets or online courses. Second, what area are you already experienced at? Instead of entering uncharted territory, get your affiliate marketing business ahead of the game by starting in an area you already know well. Third, are you willing to create content for this niche in the long run? It's important to provide up-to-date and relevant content for your audience. But it would be harder for you to do that if you're not actually interested or care about the topic. 4. Is this niche profitable? If the niche that you picked is pretty competitive, you have two choices. Emphasize your uniqueness or find other options. Here are some profitable affiliate niches to consider. 1. Hobbies. The sky is the limit for this one. Photography, cooking, gardening, you name it. 2. Health. It's something that people will most likely always seek for. You can recommend products like vegan snacks, yoga mats, or supplements. Then we have lifestyle. This includes fashion, home, and decor. The trends are constantly changing, so there are endless opportunities to provide new recommendations for your audience. Next is technology. And no, it's not limited to computers and gadgets. You can also recommend software, video games, or even web hosting services. And there are still a lot more options out there. Research the current trends using free tools like Google Trends or Answer Socrates. Whichever niche you choose, make sure that there's an audience for that, or you won't make any profit. Keep in mind that affiliate marketing is not a fast track to gain a lot of money. Some niches work better on particular platforms, so you'll need to research and experiment a lot. Just like any other business, it will take some time to get the hang of it. So, even if you don't achieve success immediately, keep going. When you apply for an affiliate program, the application form will ask you to include the website address you'll use to promote the affiliate products. You don't necessarily need to use your own website. Your affiliate marketing channel can be your Instagram account, Facebook profile, or YouTube channel. But I recommend using both, a website and social media channels. Why? Because they complete each other. Social media is a great place to get in touch with your target audience directly and build brand awareness. Do you already have a solid social media presence? Then you should definitely use it in your affiliate campaigns. But which social media platform to choose for your affiliate marketing business? It depends on the audience demographics and the type of content you want to produce. For example, if your target market is younger and you want to promote your products using short videos, TikTok is the way to go. On the other hand, if your target audience is professionals or job seekers and you want to promote your products via short posts, then LinkedIn can be a great option. What about an affiliate marketing site? Having a website makes your brand look more professional and trustworthy. If you already have a website, it's a great idea to add a blog section so you can produce content and naturally insert your affiliate links. In fact, around 65% of affiliate marketers generate traffic from their blogs. But if you think that creating a website can only be done by experienced people, worry no more. To get started, you'll need a domain name and a web hosting account. Make sure to pick a reliable hosting provider that allows you to scale up your affiliate website as it grows. Our WordPress starter plan is a great option for affiliate marketers. It comes with a free domain, unlimited bandwidth, and 100 gigabytes of storage space, offering great value for your money. When you're purchasing your plan, use the coupon code AFFILIATE10, which is also available in the description below, to get 10% off. If you want to learn how to create an affiliate marketing website in detail, follow the steps in our video, and you'll have your site up and running in no time. The next step is joining an affiliate program that aligns with your niche. There are many affiliate programs or networks out there. For example, Amazon Associates, Instagram Affiliate, and of course, hosting your affiliate program. You can either join a single affiliate program or choose multiple to have more sources of income. Whichever path you choose, there are three aspects that you need to consider: the earning potential, the competition, and the brand reputation. Let's take a look at each of them. Your earning potential depends on the program's commission rate. Some affiliate programs pay you several cents each time you successfully convert a customer into purchasing, while others offers hundreds of dollars per conversion. It usually depends on the type of product that you promote. Affiliate programs with more affordable products and lower commission rates are usually easier to join and easier to sell, but you need to make more sales to reach substantial revenue. Meanwhile, if you choose luxury affiliate programs like branded fashion or expensive automotive accessories, they might be more challenging to promote. This is because the demand for these products is lower, but you only need a few conversions to generate a good income stream. There are also affiliate programs that offer high-demand products with high commissions, such as credit cards and software-as-a-service products like email marketing tools. But these niches are very competitive. It might seem like a bad deal, but a competitive niche indicates that there's a good chance you can thrive there too. So, how do we check the competition within a niche? This is similar to checking for niche profitability. You can assess the competition by checking keyword volume. Simply Google relevant search terms or terms you want your affiliate website to show up for. Alternatively, take notes of what your competitors are recommending, what affiliate programs they work with, and what terms they use in their promotional copy. In case you find that the niche you've picked has little to no competition, you need to investigate further to find the reason why. That might mean that the niche is not feasible, or many people have tried it but failed. But If you find that other people are successfully making money from it, even if it is very few of them, that's a signal that you can take a strategic risk as well. And the last thing to consider when choosing an affiliate platform is the platform's reputation. When promoting products from other businesses, you're also promoting and building your own brand reputation. That's why it's important to choose a trustworthy platform aligned with your brand image. Also, it's a good idea to check whether the affiliate program's website is optimized for conversions. Make sure their landing pages provide a good user experience and the site is mobile friendly, especially since more and more people tend to shop via their mobile devices. Checking online reviews about the platform can also help you assess its reputation. Now, let's talk about content creation. Your website and social media content are the main tools to connect and engage with your audience and build trust. So, it's important to create original content that resonates with them. The more they find your content useful, the more they see your business as a reliable source of information. This helps boost your site's performance and improve its rankings on search result pages. Higher rankings mean more organic traffic and, consequently, more potential customers. But how do we produce original and relevant content? I recommend mixing evergreen and trend-driven topics, so your brand can stay relevant all year round. Evergreen content is not time-sensitive. Examples include tutorials and resource pages, also known as how-to and what is articles. But it also depends on the niche that you choose. If you're working with technology, your tutorials and resource articles need to be updated regularly, as technology is continuously developing. But if your niche is gardening, articles like how to plant an orange tree or what is hydroponic farming will most likely remain the same over a long period. Meanwhile, trend-driven content includes product reviews, product comparisons, and product roundups. Product-oriented content, especially product reviews, is highly popular among affiliate marketers. And it's no wonder why. 90% of online shoppers look for product reviews before purchasing a product. Comparisons and roundups help customers evaluate multiple products and find out the pros and cons of each one. To help you create optimized content for your target audience, we go back to conducting keyword research. Try to imagine what keywords people use when searching for topics relevant to your niche. Think about their problems and pain points and how you can help them fix that. Then, naturally promote your affiliate products while providing the solution. There are many keyword research tools out there, such as Google Ads Keyword Planner, available for free, and SEMrush, a premium tool for those looking to invest in a more advanced set of features. Once you find relevant keywords, include them in your website as naturally as possible. Customers don't like websites that are trying too hard to sell something. Plus, search engines might also end up seeing your content as spam. And don't forget to always use high-quality images. Low-resolution images give an impression that you don't take your business seriously, which is a big no-no for brand reputation. It's also a good idea to include an affiliate disclosure in your pages or social media posts. Explain that you will earn a commission every time a visitor makes a purchase using your affiliate links. By making it transparent, you'll boost the audience's trust in your business. So, you've published valuable content on your website or social media. Now, what you need to do is to drive traffic to your affiliate site. We've already discussed generating organic traffic with search engine optimization. Besides that, there are some other methods that you can apply. 1. Start an email campaign. Sending email newsletters helps you provide a friendly reminder and nudge people to complete their purchases. You can also share perks with your audience, like limited offers or regular product updates. 2. Participate in your audience's conversation. You can do this by maintaining an active social media presence or joining online forums like Reddit and Quora. Use hashtags to boost your brand's discoverability and try to answer your followers' questions as much as possible. Keep in mind that most online forums do not allow you to directly place your affiliate links, but you can share links to your blog posts or landing pages that contain the affiliate links. And 3. Write guest posts for relevant sites in your niche. Featuring helpful, valuable content on other sites helps attract similar target audiences and ultimately drive traffic to your site. Last but not least, you'll need to track your affiliate marketing strategy. By tracking your results, you'll be able to make informed decisions, replicating what's working and taking notes of what's not. So, what should we track? First, which pages or affiliate links are converting. Second, which products customers purchased from your affiliate links. Most affiliate programs provide earnings reports through a managed affiliate dashboard. Still, if you want to step up your game, you can also use affiliate tracking software like Reversion and Post Affiliate Pro. The benefit of using these tools is that you can get various features that are not available on affiliate programs. They include campaign optimization tools, integration with e-commerce platforms, and payment systems and trends analysis. While these are paid software, they offer free trials. Or use free tools like Google Analytics. So that's it. We've covered all you need to start your affiliate marketing business, from finding a niche to tracking your performance. If you have any additional questions about how to start affiliate marketing or want to share your experience, don't hesitate to drop your comments below. Give this video a thumbs up and share if you find it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to Hostinger Academy for more content like this. Start building a passive income source now, and good luck on your affiliate journey.